Well, good morning. It's Michelle again from Michelle's Ink It Stamp It. And today I have another haul to show you of some lace and avocado dyed ephemera. It's a junk journal kit from Marina. She's from Slovenia, and I think it was, I'll have to look at her, oh, cute little card. I'll have to look up her Etsy, but I will put it in the description down below. So let's see. There's a couple pieces of coffee dyed paper. Oh, some napkins that have been a napkin that has been avocado dyed, so that'll be nice. Let's see, I'll put that this way. You should be able to still see the little angels. Here we go. Nope, another napkin. Oh, I love this. These look like they all just might be little extra pieces because they're outside of the package. That's gorgeous. That'll be great on a one of my junk journal covers. Little I'm losing my words as for what you call this, but like a little snippet, and has some like jute on the background. Oh, some pretty lace, so, like gauze, little lace, and then some strands and a button. It's just sewn together with that little bit, so if I wanted individual pieces, I could just take it apart. Oh, oh, I love these. Just little pieces of coffee dye paper. That's great. Thank you, Marina. Okay, let's see what we got here. See if I can get into it. Sometimes that's the trick, right? Hope you guys are all doing well out there. It's a beautiful day here. It's Father's Day today, and most of my family is out in the boat, water skiing, and having a good old time. All right, let's get that packaging off of there. Wow, okay. A little bit more stuff than in the other one. Oh, that's beautiful. I sent her an email asking her if there was a backstory to any of the items that she had, and she said that they were all things that she had in drawers and things that rather than have them in the drawers. Oh, this is cute. Look at that, a little button, wooden heart, stained. And some like thinner canvas and gauze and more lace. Another piece of the little gauze, and that's just stitched together. So let's lay all those things out here. Try to get it so you can see it all in the end. That's very cool. I wish you could feel some of these things. They're not rough and hard like some of the newer laces. They're well loved. She said she avocado dyes these too, so I love the avocado dyed. I love that, just the light hint of pink that it gives it, and Oh, that's pretty too. I just started. This is actually the first thing that I ever bought of a package that had the lace or a junk journal kit or anything like that. I usually just create them from what I have around or what I've found, or just from digital kits. So this is my first ever purchase of a kit like this. It was the last one that I got, so I think I ordered 4 sets altogether. No kits with paper in it, just like you saw before with all the laces, all the different laces. I just wanted to have a variety so that when I went to use them on things, oh gosh, look at this. That's beautiful. Can you see that whole thing? Here, I'll set it this way. There you go. And you can see it. Looks like you could have run a ribbon through here and let this dangle down. Wow. That is something. Okay, I'm running out of room here. Let's move this off and we'll start over here. That's beautiful. Oh, some little envelopes. Let's see. Oh, that's the insert to it. Here, I'm trying to pull that out. It doesn't come out. No wonder. So that is the envelope. I'll have to re-glue that. Very nice. And another one. Now that I know, I won't pull. I thought it had a little insert in it, but it's just the liner. So it looks like there's 3 of those. That's awesome. Another little snippet. Button. Oh, this is that same lace, and she's avocado dyed that. Wow. I like it. Good job, Marina. These are some doilies. Heart shape. Here's a little oval. Another oval that's lighter. I got the squares of the coffee dye paper, and here's squares of the avocado dyed. A little flower. Oh, there's a bunch of more flowers in there. That'll be fun. And this is like some muslin. And then, like I said, a bunch more of those little flowers. Those are really cute. And then some things from books that she has that are written in her native tongue. I'll have to find out what language that is. Some postcards. That's very cool. She said some of these things were just in drawers that she had, and she wanted people to enjoy them rather than have them in her drawers, which was very cool. She actually is from Ljubljana, Slovenia, and that's the capital. And so my friend had been there, so she has sent me some pictures from there, so I'll use those in whatever journal I make with all this. Book pages, music, some maps, feels like out of a magazine. Oh, this could be a pattern for out of a pattern thing. Feels like that type of paper. Oh, this is nice. I don't know what kind of material that is, but wow, feels good. Like a piece of scrapbook paper. Some tissue paper. Oh, look at that. It has ladies on it. Can you see it? And then this is some tissue paper with some flowers on it. I want to get it. There we go. And a bunch of avocado dye paper. Wow. And then is that coffee dyed? Or is it two different colors? It's hard to tell in the light. I love this. Thank you so much, Marina. So this was the first part of my, the first junk journal kit I ever purchased. So we'll see what I end up doing with it. Okay? Let me move you back over here so you can get all of it in there. Let me move you up. All right. So again, it's Michelle from Michelle's Ink It Stamp It. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll put in some other videos over here that you might also like. All right. Thanks very much, and I'll put all the links in the description below. Bye-bye.